Next, let's see how the watch looks on the wrist after sizing the bracelet. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Frugal Watch Box channel. Today, we'll be unboxing a Chinese watch brand, the Benyar BY5185 automatic with a Tiffany Blue dial, paying homage to the Rolex Oyster Perpetual. Let's open the box and explore its contents. Inside, we find a sponge, a cleaning cloth, a warranty card, and the Benyar user's manual. Finally, the watch itself is majestically wrapped in an ordinary plastic bag. The model number, as indicated on the sticker, is BY5185. A mesmerizing Tiffany Blue dial with a date complication at the 3 o'clock mark catches the eye. Let's remove the plastic protection sticker from the bracelet. Next, let's take off the Benyar watch tag. As usual, let's take a closer look at the watch. What a stunning timepiece! The crystal is described as synthetic high-hardness glass. This super affordable Tiffany dialed automatic watch is priced at $34 or MYR 160. Now, let's remove the protection sticker from the see-through case back. It appears that the watch has an unsigned large crown. The case and bezel are iron-plated, while the bracelet is made of stainless steel. There are 4 other variations of this model available. The case diameter measures 39 mm. Lug-to-lug distance is approximately 49 mm. The thickness is about 11.7 mm. Lug size is 20 mm. It weighs in at a substantial 143.8 grams. Let's move on to a discussion about the dial. The stunning blue dial is exceptionally well made. It features baton-style hour and minute hands and similar styled hour markers. Double baton on the 12, 6, and 9 positions. A date window is positioned at the 3 o'clock mark. Let's adjust the time to examine the dial printings more closely. Setting the time appears to be a breeze. There you have it, the Benyar logo printed just below the 12 o'clock mark. The automatic and 10-bar or 100-meter prints are located at the bottom of the dial. Notably, there are no small prints at the extreme bottom of the dial to identify the movement type, as seen in more established brands like Seiko and others. The crown, with a thickness of about 4 mm and a diameter of 7 mm, makes setting the time easy. The ST6 Seagull movement is both hackable and hand-windable. It boasts a power reserve of approximately 36 hours. To set the time, pull to the first position for adjusting the date and the second position for the time. The bracelet, listed as stainless steel, features solid links and end links. 4 removable links on each side facilitate sizing. The oyster-style bracelet has a brushed finish, in contrast to the polished case and bezel. The Benyar logo is clearly printed on the clasp. The bracelet doesn't rattle much, making it acceptable to me. Before sizing, let's try the bracelet on my 6.5-inch wrist. The 39mm case seems to be just right on my wrist. The ST6 Seagull movement appears well built from the outside with a nicely decorated rotor featuring a sunray design, and the Benyar logo. The see-through case back, listed on the website as hard glass and solid stainless steel, is impressive. The stainless steel bracelet also seems to be well made. However, the heavy bracelet on my wrist isn't my preference. Next, let's see how the watch looks on the wrist after sizing the bracelet. I had to remove about 4 links to achieve the correct size. While the bracelet looks and feels well made, the end links are sharp on the edges. So, I decided to swap the bracelet for a more manageable cream-colored nylon strap. It looks better on the wrist and feels more comfortable. The watch features an interesting lume, blue on the hour and minute hands, and green on the hour markers. In summary, considering its budget-friendly nature, there are uncertainties surrounding the long-term reliability of this watch. The decision ultimately rests with you. That concludes this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.